fidget toys that I hate compared to the other one. That's literally almost the same. BTW, sorry I haven't been posting. Well, I just posted today, but I want to post the other video because I like to post every day or every second day and so forth. But now let's get into the video. My favorite trust ball versus the fidget toys versus, the two other stress balls that I hate. I wasted my own money off and I'm literally started crying. These. You think, oh, they're really cool. They light up. So cool. Yeah, I guess they are cool, but no. So you see this. It's super easy to squeeze. But this, no. It's really hard to smush and you have to put all your might into it, so that's why I don't like about this. So yeah, I don't like this. And I don't want comments saying be thankful because I got this with my own money and my brother got this with his own money, which he likes it, but whatever. I guess at least I got something, but I still don't like it. My favorite pink slime, I'm not gonna open it right now, and yellow dough. I don't really play with this a lot, but I really just like playing with it, but I don't like it. At least I didn't spend my money on it. I just got it from a school party. And no offense for the person that sees this video, but I just don't really like the dough you gave me, but I'm still thankful. Whatever. Clothes already. But I guess you have to say I kind of like this. Panda Smushy versus Big Smushy. Sorry, stuff sticks to it. So, I love both of these. Like, these are my favorite. But, here's my Panda Smushy versus this. I'm wondering why I don't like it. Why do I don't like the stuff I got? Well, I love this ball, but there's one thing that I do not like about it. I'm going to tell you this. I don't like how it sticks to everything because it gets into my hair, and I just thought when I smush it can be a lot better, but I love it. I just thought it would be different, but yeah. Versus all my favorite fidget toys. I'm going to put all my favorite fidget toys in this pile, starting in 1, 2, 3. Pop it. Favorite trust ball. Favorite puzzle ball. All my favorite puzzle balls. My big smushy ball. Panda smushy. Water timer. Favorite pink slime. I love this. No, I'm not gonna go get that. I'm just gonna wait. Wacky Shrek. Blue bunny emoji. Pig emoji. Elephant emoji. Bike chain. Other one smushy. Marble mash. Egg slime. And I think that's it. Oh, and my other marble mashers. And last not least, Memory Maze. So these are all my favorite fidget toys compared to the ones I don't like, but I play with them a lot. So these are the ones I don't like. Y'all know I don't like these, and that's broken. I didn't really like this. Fidget spinners are not my thing. These I can't say I'm just gonna say alligators, okay? Alligators, those are my brothers, but I don't really like them. Monkey noodles, don't like monkey noodles. Pea pupper is just no. Football, I don't really like football. Basketball, I don't really like it, but I do play with it. Um, Rubik's Cube, no, sorry. No. So these are the fidget toys that I don't really like compared to favorite. And Dallas, don't get any ideas. I'm sorry all, about all those sticky notes. Dallas, stop being snoopy. So that's the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and sorry I haven't been posting in a while. Bye! Sorry, I just have to go. Bye!